Hi everyone, we're going to make a beautiful leaf design. So fold this yellow craft paper and draw lines on it using pen. Now we are going to draw the shape of the leaf like this. Now take a scissor, cut it. After this we are going to make multiple cut at the center as well. We are also making multiple cut like this. Open it and you will get this beautiful leaf design. We're also making patterns on the other side of the leaf and look, it is ready. Let's make beautiful leaf design. So we are folding this yellow color of craft paper. Now we are going to draw different lines. Here we are making flower pattern at the top. Now we are also making a leaf pattern like this using a black pen. Now take a scissor, cut it, open it, and look, your beautiful design is ready. You can make more such designs at your home. Take this yellow craft paper, make multiple folds and take a black marker or pen. We are drawing a wheat stalk here and take a scissor, now cut it like we're doing here. Open it and look, your beautiful design is ready, and one time you can make two such designs. Do try it at home. We're going to fold this red craft paper and draw a beautiful leaf design. You can also use this at home for decorations. That is why we are using this red color. You can also take a green color for more leaf design. Now take this rest piece of the paper, fold it and make a stick like this. Tie it at the center like we're doing here and paste it using double-sided tape, and look, your beautiful leaf design is ready. You can make more such colorful leaves. We're going to put these two different color of paper together. Fold it. Now take a black pen and draw a shape of a leaf. After this we're going to use this zigzag scissor. Cut it. It will give a beautiful pattern. Now remove it. Paste both of them together. Roll this yellow paper and make a stick, and look at this beautiful two different color of leaf design. You can also paste stars for more decoration. Let's make this beautiful leaf design using craft paper. Here we're going to fold this red craft paper, make two folds, again open it and make triangular folds. After this we're going to press all the folds like this, and look, you will get this pleats design. Now we're going to draw the leaf shape like this. Cut it, gently open it, and look, you will get this beautiful leaf design at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video.